Today we are with Kritika. She has got a successful French visa for studying her masters in France. Congratulations, Kritika. It was a wonderful seeing you first time when you came to our organization. From that to today, where you are flying in 2 days. And can you just brief me in few lines that how was your journey with CIES?
It was a wonderful journey, not with just you, sir, but the whole team of CIS. As I have gotten mentorship from my college application, as well as my visa application, and as well as the other basic needs also. So throughout everything, I have been riding very successfully, and that is why right now I have attained my visa as well.
Great. So Kritika, one more question. Why you chose France?
So I wanted to pursue my masters in the specialization finance, and as a very interested in finance, I chose France because it had very good scope in this field of finance. Also, if we talk about the relations of India and France, they are also very good. So even if I want to come back to India also after my masters, I have a chance because of the work culture and the countries as well. And also the work-life balance over there is very good. And I always wanted to go there from long back. That is why I chose France.
When we were discussing the course, I think you said that you are very interested in doing CFA over there. So you chose a course which was giving you a pathway for CFA. So how do you rate the college where you have got Neoma? You must have done your research before. It's Neoma, no?
Yes, it's Neoma Business School, France.
France. Where is the campus?
I have got in the Reims campus.
Reims campus. Where it is located?
It's about 40 minutes away by train from Paris.
Paris, great. And you have got your accommodation sorted out?
Yes, everything is sorted out near the college itself, which has pretty good accommodation and nearby the college also.
And did you find it difficult to go through all this journey, or was it as usual? Of course, it won't be as simple as studying in India, but yes.
Yeah, obviously it was different, I would say, than the regular admission procedure that we do in India. It is just, in India it is just go, you clear something and that's it. But over there I had to continue my college application, also the accommodation, also everything. So, but still with the assistance, proper assistance from CIES and from that, it was easy for me.
Yeah. So we are looking forward to a chartered accountant in France, managing the finances of French people and Indian people. You will have a very lethal combination that you have studied finance in India also. You have got a knowledge of French. Now you will have a knowledge of French systems and all that. All the best, Kritika, and wish you a very, very successful career in France and in your life.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.